Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI. And if you were like I was, just a little bit nervous about ordering custom blinds online, don't be. These zebra blinds by Graywind are a true rare gem. They just look so designer, so luxury. But my favorite feature, Alexa, open blinds a bit.
Okay.
For this smart control, we chose the ProMatter hub since it works with our Echo Show 21. Setup was so simple. Well, once we stopped trying to guess and actually watched the included instruction videos, it made it so simple. They step out every single detail. We can even set timers so that we can open at sunrise and they close at sunset without even thinking about it. I also picked the green energy solar option too. And after about a month of using them, I'm obsessed. Installation was easy. You stick it to the window or you clip it on like we did so you can move it up towards the best sunlight if you need to. Now for the look, I went with classic white because it matches my remodel perfectly. And the design is genius. It's dual layered solid slats with sheer panel. So you get all these light control options. And installation took us about 5 minutes. All we had to do was measure 5 inches from the wall, 2 inches deep so that it's flush, marked it, attached the bracket, clicked the blinds in, and boom, we were done. Ordering was super straightforward too. They walk you through each step. Now, my best insider tip is to just double check your measurements and all your selections, since everything is custom made to your order. As you can tell, I am so in love with these blinds, and I think you will be too. And that's our point of view.